What's going on, guys? Today, we're going to switch things up a little bit, and we're going to talk about a brand new meme coin on the Robinhood chain, What If. Now, before we get into it, this is a little bit different than what I normally do, right? A lot of you guys have been following me for a couple years now, maybe, and all I talk about is Kaspa. And there's a reason for that, right? My channel is built around Kaspa because I think that Kaspa is the next best thing in crypto. And that has not changed, okay? My channel is still going to be based around Kaspa for the vast majority of content that I make. But when there's opportunities in the space, sometimes we need to take advantage of them. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now. And before we get into the What If token, I want to let you guys know my plan with all of this, right? So that it makes sense when it's all said and done. Crypto is a very volatile space, and narratives jump from here to here to here to here, right? The liquidity follows these narratives jumping all around. And if you can catch lightning in a bottle when the liquidity is clearly in one area and make a hell of a lot of money, you can use your profits to reinvest back in your long-term bag, which in my case is Kaspa. And I want to show you some proof, or tell you some proof, of exactly why that works and what has transpired in my investment strategy over in the Robinhood chain at this point in time, and how it's going to affect my Kaspa bag when it's all said and done. So without any further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys, so here is the What If chart, okay? I was obviously not the first person to find this coin. I think Crypto Archie was. Props and shout out to him, because I think I first heard about it through him, not even in his Discord, in his private group, because I'm not a part of that, but I heard it as just, talk around the space, right? And as soon as I heard about the Robinhood chain in general, I was like, this is interesting, because Robinhood is a very respected company, right? Investment company, mostly deals with TradFi, but has gotten into crypto and has now created its own blockchain, layer 2, on top of Ethereum, just like Base did last cycle. Right? Robinhood is a legitimate tier 1. We all get excited if a crypto that we're invested in gets a Robinhood listing because the price usually pumps, right? Now that they have their own blockchain, layer 2, a bunch of people are launching meme coins, for those of you who haven't been paying attention in the space lately. And What If is one of the top meme coins that has launched on the Robinhood chain, okay? When I heard about the Robinhood chain and all of the liquidity that was flowing over in that direction, I immediately say, I can go make a lot of money over there. I can turn those profits of a lot of money back into my long-term bags, aka Kaspa. And I'm going to tell you exactly what my plan is moving forward with this coin. Okay? What If, over the past week or so, has grown on a lot of people. It's grown on myself. Its community is extremely active, and it reminds me of the GME, GameStop scenario that, by the way, happened on Robinhood a number of years back. I'm sure a lot of you guys remember that, right? What was that guy's name with the red headband? And I think he had a cat for a logo. I can't remember. Anyways, a lot of people made a lot of money as an FU to the system with GameStop back then, because everybody held and nobody sold until it got to a certain point, right? And the mantra behind all of them was diamond hands. Nobody sell, nobody sell, nobody sell. The same thing seems to be kind of happening with What If, in my opinion. Or at least it has a chance for that to happen, right? It's not a dog coin. It's not a cat coin. It's not a monkey coin. Whatever you want to, whatever animal you want to throw a picture on for a meme coin, that's typically a turtle. That's typically what has pumped or a frog in recent past bull markets, right? This is more of a movement scenario rather than an animal coin, right? Because when you're saying what if, you can imagine anything you want at the end of that. What if this happens? What if that happens? Right? What if I can retire after buying What If? What if is the GameStop of Robinhood past, where nobody wants to sell and it just keeps going up and up and up and up and up and up and up. And we say F you to the system. We bring crypto back to retail. I would argue that crypto has gone away from retail after last cycle. What if coin on the Robinhood chain is the bringing of retail power back into crypto? That is the feeling that I get when I see this coin, okay? This isn't a multi-cycle, long-term hold. But why pass up on an opportunity that could potentially net you generational wealth in a pretty short period of time? There's going to be a lot of people that bought into What If coin that retire before the bull run even starts. There already has been people, probably. I think Archie called this coin at 40K market cap or something like that, right? They've already 200x their money. I got into this coin at 400K market cap. Some probably thought that was too late. But guess what I've done? In a span of pretty much less than a week, I've 37x'd my money. And I believe that this coin is destined to hit 100K market cap at the minimum, which is another 6x from where it is today, right? That's not guaranteed. I'm not telling anybody to go out and invest in this coin. I'm literally just giving you my opinion on what I think is going to happen with this coin. If you look at this chart, you can see that we had a small top here at 2 million in market cap before breaking back down to about 400K in market cap before it went parabolic to 10 million, went sideways for a week to then push up to the 18 million mark, 18.5 million in market cap, okay? Now I want to go over to the Cash Cat, who was the first mover and still is. By the way, it dropped from the number 1 ranked in market cap coin on Robinhood to now, it went down to like 2 or 3, but now it's back up into the number 1 spot. Now remember what we just went over, okay? I went over this on a live stream the other day. That's why it's all circled in like this already, which we probably need to take away because we can't see anything. You see this really small mark right here. That's the $10 million mark, right? Went sideways for a minute, pumped up to 10 million before coming back down to 2 million. That's exactly the same pattern that What If just finished. Went sideways for 2 weeks before it got the God candle for, 5 days in a row, all the way up to $144 million before coming back down to 81 million and then finishing off by going up to 226 million. What if is in that same pattern? What if is in this little area right here? This little area, right? That's the 10 million mark. What if is about 15 million in market cap right now? It's sitting right here, right before this massive leg up. What if you get in right now and you get to experience that leg up? What if you get to experience this leg up to $220 million in market cap, right? That's where we're sitting right now. Remember how small that looked on the Cash Cat chart? This was right before that massive leg up at 15, 17 million in market cap, okay? And I think, personally, it's a foregone conclusion that we follow that same path and we hit the 100 million market cap probably within, I'm not going to give a time frame because I don't know. But if it happens like Cash Cat, it's going to happen within the next few days, okay? And we're sitting right at the cusp of when Cash Cat broke out as far as time period and market cap value, okay? Just take a look at that. This is where we're sitting right now. It's going to look like a flat line when we get up there, right? This is the point that we would be looking at, right? Look at how flat this looks all of a sudden. What if we just go like this, straight up, just like Cash Cat did, to 220 million before we recorrect back down to 30 million or something like that, right? And I think Cash Cat, right, if it doesn't die, I think it is going to go on another run at some point here too. But its market cap's already at like 50 million. The risk reward is way better for a project like this, which, in my opinion, is a better meme / is sitting at a much better looking market cap than Cash Cat is right now. There's another side to this, guys, because what if Robinhood, I think it's a foregone conclusion that Robinhood is going to list some of these meme coins on their own blockchain, right? I don't see any scenario where they don't. Cash Cat might be one of them. I think What If has a very solid chance at being one of them, okay? Maybe Tendies, maybe Pawns, or whatever that other one is. But especially if the community keeps growing and my feed on X now is filled with What If posts. Don't take this the wrong way, but it kind of reminds me, in a meme coin sense, of the Kaspa community, because the community is strong, okay? And remember when I say this, I'm not talking about multiple cycles here. I'm talking about we're going to make money in this coin, and then we're going to get out, and we can go reinvest a hell of a lot of profits into our long-term plays, like Kaspa, okay? I know a lot of you guys who follow me are not going to want to see a video like this because you're Kaspa maxis, and that's fine. I have told you 100 times I'm not a Kaspa maxi. Kaspa is the biggest part of my portfolio and will continue to be the biggest part of my portfolio moving through this cycle and potentially next. But that doesn't mean I have to be a maxi. My mind is open. It's not in a box. I like to dabble in higher risk projects where there is a chance to make life-changing money in a very short amount of time, which I'm on the way to doing right now with this coin, by the way, and then I can put a lot of those profits. My goal was to double my Kaspa bag by the time the bull market starts. And if this continues another week or two, I'll easily be able to do that, take some profits, and keep a moon bag of what if, in case it rides the whole entire bull cycle and gets into the billions of market cap or something like Pepe did, right? I don't know what's going to happen. But all I'm saying is an open mind is not a bad thing, okay? Remember, I got into this coin at 400K market cap. I mentioned it on my live stream. I hope some of you guys bought it at that point in time. It's now at 15, 16, 17 million in market cap. I've 36x'd my money. And if it goes to 100, that's another 6x from today. And I think it's 100% destined for 100 mil market cap. I think it's going to go higher than that. I think it's probably going to hit the 200 range, $200 million range before it corrects again, just like Cash Cat did. It's playing out the exact same scenario. And maybe that doesn't continue, I don't know. But I have a really good feeling that it will, and I'm hoping that it will. Because if it does, I will be able to double my Kaspa bag. I will be able to pull some USD profits out if I wanted to, and I will also be able to have a moon bag of what if moving forward, because I believe in it as a meme coin for this cycle, or at least into next year. So just think about all of that when it's all said and done. I understand there's going to be some of you, if not a lot of you, that don't want to touch any of this stuff, and that's fine. DCA into Kaspa, which by the way, I'm still doing on a weekly basis. That has not stopped. But when I see the puck move and the liquidity move into a certain area of the crypto space that's brand new, I like to take advantage of that stuff. And I know there's got to be some of you in my audience that also like to take advantage of that stuff and degen and get some movement back in our portfolio, because all the big caps and all the mid caps have been sitting boring as hell for years now, right? And there's nothing wrong with that. DCAing into a boring, convicted project is not a bad thing. Remember, I said I still DCA into Kaspa every week, but that doesn't mean that I can't take a chunk of my money, a smaller amount of my money, and move it over here where all of the liquidity is right now, and it's extremely obvious that all of the liquidity is over in the Robinhood chain right now, to already have 36x'd my money, and we're going higher. And then I can take a lot of that profit and double my Kaspa bag. That is the goal. So this video, obviously, is made for what if, but the profits that I take from what if are going to go back into Kaspa, because I'm convicted in Kaspa long term, right? And that's the play here. That's what crypto is made of, in my opinion, and that's where you can have fun in crypto. Crypto has been boring for years, right? I didn't make videos on any of the Solana meme coins because they were getting rug pulled at a 2x, right? It got boring, it got annoying, and everybody who was shilling the next Solana meme coin went in one ear and out the other for me. Did not give a rat's ass about it. This right here, Robinhood chain, is the first thing that's gotten me excited about crypto again and just having fun in crypto again in a long time. And the what if token is the wave I've decided to ride, and boy has it worked out already for me. And I didn't even get in at rock bottom. I'll bet you anybody who gets in at 15 million market cap is still going to make money on this coin, because I don't see it stopping anytime soon. Not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm not telling you not to buy it. You're all adults. You can make your own decision. But I am actually thinking about putting a little bit more money into it, because I think it's for sure going to $100 million in market cap. And if I could 6x my money that I just put into the market, or just add on to the what if coin right now, I'll take that every day of the week. And probably somewhere between 100 and 200 million in market cap, I'll take some profits and then leave a moon bag again. As long as you're taking profits on the way up, you're never going to go broke. So I have officially joined the what if movement as of multiple weeks ago. I don't know how many videos I'm going to make on what if coin. Most of my videos are still going to be Kaspa related, because that is what my channel is built off of, and that is my long-term conviction. But I don't want any of you guys to get mad or annoyed or what's this guy doing? He's a Kaspa guy. Yes, I am a Kaspa guy, but I'm also a make money guy. And right now I'm making a hell of a lot of money in the what if coin. And so I felt obligated and a need to tell you guys that that's what I'm doing, because I'm an open book and I'm fully transparent. I hope Let me know in the comment section if any of you guys got in at the 400K market cap or below, or if you've gotten in recently, or if you just don't care about the Robinhood chain, or the What If coin, or the Cash Cat coin, or anything. I'd love to hear about it in the comment section. And in the meantime, continue to pack your damn bags before it's too late. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.